Okay, this is SAS Viya 4, and for this assignment, we need to open practice 2.2, which I have opened already here. So, in the first question asks us how many rows are in the employees table after the actions of the plan are applied. So to do this, to see this, we must run the steps. So, as you can see, it's running right now. It is now finished running. So we can go to the result table right here in the employee session, and we can see that there are 647 rows. It was 648, but after we ran it, it's now 647. So the next part is we're going to view the details about the steps performed in the plan before we ran it and answer the questions associated with it. So the first one was how many convert column actions were performed and on which column. So to do this, we're going to minimize that and go to the plan. So we're going to go to convert column, click on it, and down in this subsection here, we can see that there was only one convert column performed, and it was on the employee ID column. So next, which column was changed to uppercase? To see that, we go to step number 4 where the change case is, and we see that again there was only one, and this one is employee country was changed to uppercase. The next question was what filter is applied to the table. For this, we go to step 5, filter, and down here we can see that the filter was placed on the department column in the sales and purchasing values. And the last question is what is the name of the new output table created from the plan? So to do this, minimize this, and we're going to go to the plan. We're going to do options, save as. So here the clean name is right here, and it's in all caps and says employees clean. So if we wanted to save this, we would use that name and we would just click save as and save right here. That is my SAS Viya 4. This one was relatively short, but obviously important for the class. So I will see you in SAS Viya 5.